Alrighty everyone, thanks for watching another video with Rising Phoenix Antiques. Today we are looking at a Vendo 39 Coca-Cola machine. Just want to go through this thing real quick and let you know what we do know and what we don't know. This is, there's a date stamp in here from 1949, so it's a 49, 50, 51, somewhere in that range model, Vendo 39. So we've got this already open because we want to start on the inside. And a couple things worth mentioning. The drum does spin. The the compressor motor does work. And this machine cools very well. There's a safety switch there that shuts that off. We do know that the thermostat also works because after having this machine running for hours, it shuts on and off as it needs to keep it cool based on the thermostat setting. So obviously, some insulation is melted over the years. The bottom of this thing's pretty dirty, but it's all there. There's no rust holes. There's no corrosion all the way through any parts of the machine. And all in all, the bones are all there. So the door's pretty clean. So there you have it. We'll go ahead and close it up. Next thing I want to mention is the main cabinet latch. I don't know if there's a spring inside. I don't know if that needs to be replaced. But just sitting there, the latch on its own tends to pop back out. Now, when you have the coin-op door closed, it can only go so far, so it will keep that door closed. The coin mechanism, we have no idea if that works. It's all there. I have no idea what this is. Someone added that. We're not messing around with it. You've got your coin box right there. So it's all there. But you'll see when we operate the drum that we can do that without having to put a coin in. So I have no idea what that means, but it is what it is. At some point, someone either broke or lost the lock. We have a replacement lock and a replacement cam bar on the way as we speak. The bottom of that cam bar right there is supposed to have a hook in it to hook onto this latch right there. That was broke off, so we went ahead and got those parts. Now, as you can see, someone has beat this thing up pretty good in years past. That was not us. We bought this machine exactly as you're seeing it right here. We're going to straighten that out as we need to make that cam bar work and the lock work. All that will be working when the new owner gets this machine, but we wanted to just make sure everyone was aware of that. So we'll go ahead and close this. We gotta push that latch up. So right now, because the cam bar is broke on the bottom, it's not latching there, but it does latch on top. Again, we're going to get that fixed. Your bottle opener's right there. So then we put the bar back. And now you'll see that press down. And there you go. So your drum spins nice and cold. The machine itself has been repainted at least once. It was an okay paint job. It's not bad. The machine's presentable, but there's issues. It's far from restored. You can see some body work at some point or paint work that, didn't turn out exactly the way it should have. You see some fading in the paint right there. There's scuffs. The sides aren't bad. The top's not bad right there. This side has some scuffing right here. Some scuffing right here. Some of that probably come off. That looks like it's just paint on the surface. But the machine itself is a very nice, presentable machine. And for what we're going to price it at in running condition with a new lock and a new cam bar, we think it's going to be a hell of a deal. So that's it. As always, thanks for watching with us. Go to eBay to see this machine for sale, or look us up on Facebook at Rising Phoenix Antiques. Thanks.